Hey guys, everything looks a little chaotic behind me, and that's because it is. It's been like such a busy time. I'm getting myself ready right now, so I figured I'd pop in, turn the camera on, say hello, and yeah, catch up a little bit. May is just such a busy month between birthdays, Mother's Day, of course, you have graduations, and I am recovering from a cold, so that's why I sound a little crazy. Today's my brother's birthday, so we're going over to my parents' house for dinner. Mother's Day is obviously Sunday. Then we leave for New York next week, and we're going for my brother-in-law's graduation. So part of back there, all of that is like graduation gifts, birthday gifts. So we're just kind of piling up all of our gifts to celebrate our loved ones. We come back from New York. It's my best friend's daughter's birthday and her other daughter's high school graduation. So, and then that weekend after we get back is my other best friend, Cece. We're celebrating her birthday. She's doing like a joint celebration with our other friend, Ashley. So it's just like a lot going on, and I'm honestly just so grateful to be able to just celebrate people that I love in my life and just have so many amazing things. It's just a lot of blessings, and I'm like just so grateful every day. I'm just so grateful for everything I have going on and all the people in my life. It just makes me really fulfilled in life. I'm simple, you know, like I don't know, that to me that's what's important, just having people that you love around you. And I don't know why I'm getting all sentimental, but I think I'm just excited. So, but yeah, happy birthday to my little brother. Yeah, so it should be a chill night. Today's Thursday. My husband's at work right now, so I'm gonna go pick him up in a little bit. We're taking the dogs. Anytime we go to my parents' house, we always take the dogs because they love to visit everybody and they have a great big yard. I just want to pop in, say hi, and honestly, I just want to pick up my new camera because I love it and I'm just so excited to have a new camera. But yeah, let's finish getting ready and I'll see you guys once we get over to my parents' house. Guys, I'm so embarrassed. So I went into where did I go? Oh, CVS, because I was gonna get a gift card. Hey, don't get crazy. And my mom needed plastic forks. So I go to CVS and I park right in the front, left the car on, keys in the car for the dogs because it's warm. The second I step out of the car, they just start barking hysterically. And I'm like, okay, maybe they'll shut up. As soon as I get in the store, I can still hear them barking. And I'm like looking at the gift cards really quick, and I still hear them barking. And so I was literally so embarrassed. So I had to walk outside, and I didn't even get what I needed. Why are you bad? I think it's this one. He's definitely the crybaby of the two. Rocco, you're kind of bad too. It's like they feed off each other. When one starts barking, they both just go crazy. Anyways, we're here waiting for my husband. He's about to get off work. That's what he came home in the hospital in.
Wow.
Little mittens. These are all my brother's baby clothes. My first Mickey Mouse shirt. Little tiny shoes.
I'm just curious about it. Yeah. I've never seen it. I better not start flipping through yours.
Even though we don't support you riding a bike, we support you liking bikes.
Thanks, guys. Just gonna have to deal with it for a while.
I know.
This is cool.
Oh, cool. Don't wear it in front of Grandma. Why she likes it?
Oh, the M&Ms.
Oh, the M&Ms, huh? No. Oh my gosh. I love the colors. Think about it. I can only give them one piece of advice.
Yeah.
Repent and trust in God. It's okay if one of them doesn't light. I'll just stay 26 for another.
No, it is not. I got it. I just I can't see with your hand.
Sorry. Happy birthday to.
Come on, Nick. Come in, Nick.
Hey guys, good morning. Today is Saturday before we leave to New York, so we've got a day full of errands and just things we're trying to get done today leading up to our trip. So we are on our morning walk with the boys. So I thought I would do like a day in the life vlog. Honestly, not sure where this is going to fit in, like if it's going to be part of another vlog or the start of a new vlog. It's very warm today. I think the high is going to be like 100. So we definitely slept in. We got up like around 8:30-ish. Our first stop today is taking the boys to get their nails clipped. So we're taking them to the groomer. And then we just have like a few little things to do. So we're bringing you guys along with us.
What's up, guys?
Got a lot of errands to run, like Alex probably already said.
So we're just about to drop the boys off. We take them to this place called Doggy Days in Phoenix. Great grooming place, awesome service, and they do a really good job too. So about to take these crybabies in. Now we're here at Costco getting gasolina. I think we're going to Nordstrom Rack first because we're looking for a graduation gift for my brother-in-law.
If it's in that's what we done.
And they're having a little market out here. So maybe we'll take a peek on our way out. So these are some of the watches I saw.
Oh, this is for myself.
It's nice on
Nice
there.
one.
They're so cute. Okay guys, next stop is Daiso. So I come here for a lot of stuff for my makeup kit. If you've never been to Daiso, it's like a cute little,
Five Below.
it's like a Five Below, but like better. They've got some cute little stuff in here, like makeup accessories, home stuff. So I'm here for one thing. I need a travel mirror. So just something small, compact, and easy, just like this. I think while I'm here, I might look for a travel pillow. They've got like a bunch of like little like travel accessories too, so I feel like they'd have a travel pillow. Why do they always do that? I guess I do it too.
What's up? We're currently at a thrift store called, was it Thrift?
White Doves?
White Doves. I'm curious if it's all women's. I assume it's all women's. Women's and furniture.
Hi guys, so we ended up popping into a little thrift store. It was nothing great, honestly, but like whenever we see a thrift store, we kind of just like have to stop and check it out. So now we are just stopping to grab some lunch. My husband just ran inside to pick up our Cabo order, and then we're gonna head home, watch the game. I believe it's the Knicks game that we're watching. I forgot the bag of returns that we were supposed to do. We were supposed to go to Marshalls and Ross and H&M, and I forgot the Marshalls and Ross stuff. Como un pendeja, pero we'll have to go back later on because like we're hungry and the heat is just so draining. You can't really stay out for long in the heat without feeling like so drained, so exhausted. So we're gonna head home, have some lunch, relax for a bit. We needed to like do laundry because our plan for today was to start packing and getting things ready for New York. So we're gonna go do that. Hello friends, we're back in the car. Now we're headed off to finish our errands. So we're gonna do like like a part 2 of our day. But first we're gonna grab a coffee. I saw that Starbucks has like free cold foam today, so we got us a couple decafs, and yeah, we're gonna run a couple errands, maybe hit a thrift or 2, I don't know. Just see where the day takes us. I'm also preparing our lunch tomorrow for Mother's Day, so I gotta get that together. I'm just doing lasagna, something simple. So I just need to make sure that I have all my stuff together and ready for that. So first stop, Starbucks. And to be honest, we don't really go to Starbucks anymore. Anytime we get coffee, it's homemade at home or the coffee shops around us in downtown. So good. Tall brown sugar shaken espressos with oat milk and cold foam. And I think I added caramel drizzle. Give it a taste. Cheers.
Cheers. Smells good. Smells like cinnamon.
I got the salted caramel cold foam.
It's good.
Coming to Barnes & Noble. Running out of gas just because the heat. Oof, my husband's driving us. Oof, zipping me around.
Gotta get you there. Gotta get you there. Zip me around.
We're looking for the Bad Bunny Vogue, but we don't see it. Barnes & Noble is packed. Everyone's getting their mom books for Mother's Day. This is funny. I don't work here. So many times I go into Sephora and they think I'm a Sephora girl. Mac too. Even though I can have like a whole purse and they still think I work there. I'm like, no, I don't. Sorry. But I can't help you. So now we're at H&M. I'm gonna take a peek at the ladies. Went into Trader Joe's and secured the goods.
Forgot.
Hey guys, we're finally back home and I'm making us some sandwiches on our little grill. Just got some sourdough bread, some cheese, spinach.
This is just for, and then it has all the
Cute! Let me see, Josh.
says, thanks, Mom, for all the ways you make life so bright. Happy Mother's Day to the best mama bear in the world. You are so loved and appreciated. Enjoy your day. Boo Boo Grizzly. Did you see what he did? I have a lot to add to it, but...
One vision boards.